Hello friends, welcome to our Toys channel. Today we learn and write two easy 10 lines essay myself. Let's start. First, my name is Sujit. Second, I am 11 years old. Third, I study in 5th class. 4, I live in Pune. 5, my father is a police. 6, my mother is a teacher. 7, I have many friends. 8, my favorite subject is Hindi. 9, my favorite game is cricket. 10, I love my family.